Stereotypical lunches are a thing of the past. I don't think I've rather ever sat down to a decadent luncheon wonder. Now it's all about poke bowls and meals on the go, or rather working lunches. How do you nail the art of creating a perfect vegan tray bake? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon, or like I like to call it, manipulating the oven and cooking in layers. Now I'm a strong advocate for minimum equipments being used so that I don't have to really wash too much. So into a large bowl goes about 500 grams of sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into large shards. I'm going to infuse the sweet potato and break the stereotypical flavors that it brings. So into the bowl goes in about the rind of one lemon, along with some lovely dill leaves finely chopped up. Just go overload because you want that burnished part to come through really well. Slather in about 10 to 15 mils of extra virgin olive oil, and it's all about just getting this to nicely toss up. Season with some Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt, another flavor enhancer, and toss it again. Layer it on the tray, and it goes into a preheated oven to bake. At 180 degrees centigrade for just about 20 minutes, and in the meantime let's get to marinating our chickpeas. 2 cups of chickpeas soaked overnight and boiled till they are just about done need to go back into that bowl with a slathering of nearly 10 mils of extra virgin olive oil. And finally we're going to just infuse this with some hot regular beautiful curry powder. So 2 tablespoons of this highly fragrant powder going in, and we're just going to let everything toss together after seasoning it. Flavor enhance this with some smoked beautiful red chipotle sea salt just to elevate the smokiness. And it's now time to just take this and toss it gently so that it perfectly coats the chickpeas. We allow this to sit for about 10 minutes and then it goes back into that same tray to bake. 20 minutes in, the gloves come on and the tray comes out. Those marinated chickpeas nestle right in between. 5 chipotle peppers just cut into the largest of chunks, de-seeded though, so that they bring out their sweetness and that little kiss of spice in as well. Manipulation at its peak, back again it goes for another 10 minutes. Broccoli and mustard is a match made in heaven. So you take about 3 tablespoons of stone ground mustard and about 2 florets of blanched broccoli. Thin the mustard down with about 10 mils or 20 mils of extra virgin olive oil. We are going to infuse this, or rather cut the sharp flavor of mustard with some rosemary and lavender sea salt. And finally, in goes 2 broccolis cut into the largest of florets, just blanched and going in. Toss this gently, keep it aside for 5 minutes, and this goes back into that tray. Add the broccoli lastly with that mustardy goodness, and into the oven this goes for the last smile for a good 15 minutes. Now the only thing you need to know about an effective tray bake is that it should have everything in a balanced meal. Bring the protein, bring the carb, bring the dietary fiber, and just go overload on the flavorings. Keep each one individual so it merges together in a really happy marriage. Now my tray bake only has one thing lacking, and a little kiss of zing, and that comes together with a balsamic vinegar. A very simple vinegar, the same bowl, because I want that little bit of the beautiful curry powder and the mustard emerging into it. So into that goes about 20 mils of balsamic vinegar. We're going to infuse this really well now along with some smoked chipotle sea salt and drizzle in on a slow steady stream nearly about 20 mils of extra virgin olive oil. Just allow it to emulsify together. And I think balsamic is something that everyone should have loads of. The flavors are perfect for this tray bake. Into a small dip bowl this goes. Look at that perfect emulsion coming together. An exploited happy oven and a decadent creation ready. What a great way to use this in multiple styles, but flavor enhancing it along the way. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Vegan in nature, bang on as a balanced meal, and more importantly, way off the beaten track. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below. Ba ba da ba da ba da.